Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretarial practice class 12th standard. As you can see this slide, today we are going to complete the another letter writing from the lesson number 6, correspondence with the members, and the letter is related to the bonus share. We have already discussed in our previous video how we have to write the letter writing, what are the format we have to follow. First of all, the name of the company, which is already mentioned at the top in the middle, then the registered address of the company and SIN number, which should be written in the correct format. Left side of the letter you have to mention the phone number, fax number as well as the reference number for the documentation. Other side of the letter at the right side you have to mention the website, email and the date of the letter. You have to write the name of the person to whom you are going to write the letter, being a secretary, and the address is also mentioned with the name, with the proper pin code number and the address. So what is the subject for today's topic? Today's subject is related to issue of the bonus share. We have already discussed so many things about the bonus share, where we said that bonus share are given by the company as a free of cost to the existing equity shareholder. So what we have to do, subject we should write in the middle, issue of the bonus share. So being a secretary you have to write all the content that the bonus share are given by the company from the approval of the board of director. So started with the respected person like dear sir and the ma'am. So being a secretary you have to start it like this: I am here to be inform you that from the board of director, or you maybe use these lines like I am directed by the board of director to inform you, to whom, to the shareholder, in accordance with the resolution which has been passed in the extraordinary general meeting which was held on the 14th of the October 2019. So all the shareholders have unanimously approved the recommendation of the board of director to issue the bonus share to the shareholder. So what are the ratio given by the board of director? 1:1. That means one additional equity share for every equity share held as on record on the 13th October 2019. So how you have to write the table to inform about the shareholder? See the next slide. First of all, you have to mention the number of the share held on record. Why? Because what we have written in a previous slide, 1:1. So we must be aware about the holding shares by the shareholder. So holding share record is 25. So that means bonus share according to the 1:1 also given equal 25 and 25. That means 1:1. Third column and fourth column related to the DPID or the client ID, where the demat account of the client should be mentioned, and this number can be also changed. Not necessary, you have to write the numbers as it is. Date of credit of account, when the bonus share is going to be transferred to the shareholder account, so you should mention the date also. So the letter should be closed with these lines. The lines related to what the company has complied with all the provision which was required for issue of the bonus share. Next line, the bonus share issued will rank pari passu. Pari passu means equal step, side by side with the existing equity share. That means all the bonus share given by the company to the equity shareholder with the equal step to all. And you have to close it your letter with thanking you, yours faithfully, with industry name and the sign of the company secretary. So thank you for watching.